Are you struggling to align your sales team and boost revenue? Defining a sales model is a game changer. A sales model provides a clear, repeatable framework for selling. It streamlines the customer journey and enables you to choose effective sales methodologies. Imagine harnessing inbound sales, outbound outreach, or relationship building to maximize your success. It's not just about closing deals, it's about nurturing existing customers and collaborating efficiently. What makes us different? Our flexibility allows you to tailor your sales model to fit your unique business needs. Don't wait. Elevate your sales strategy today. Visit our website to get started.